Hi guys, welcome to Grudies. Right, this is midweek madness. Right, anyone that's got their own business or their own workshop, hold on, yeah, they're filming. You would know that when it's a mess, your mind's a mess. Shit just doesn't happen quick enough. Everything it's just, when your surroundings is messy, your mind's messy. So, what we're doing is we're cleaning. Now, I've started moving shit around down the back here. I need to fully, you will see, so this is back corner on the right-hand side. You'll see what I'm about to do over the next 2 weeks whilst I'm working. I believe I can do this and work as well. Yes, I have some issues. Right, so shelves, that's actually, that whole shelving unit's got to go. So everything's got to go somewhere. So this part of the shelving unit, yes, this part here, is going to go against this wall, and there will be a part of the doorway will be cut off like where the wood is now. So that's fine. There's fucking bumper bars and shit everywhere. So that's going to stay for now. But I'm doing this so next to the front door, there can be a toolbox, and see how I'm standing next to a car, which is on the hoist. See how much of the shelf's in the way? I actually can't get the Falcon U on the hoist. So this has always been a problem. Once the concrete went bad in this shed, it's just a mess. So I'm going to change some shit up. And I would like to, in the next couple of months, get some concrete work done in this area, hopefully, so I can put another hoist back in, because I actually need 2 hoists. So I'm thinking I'm going to put one in on an angle here. So I reckon I'm going to drop here and over here somewhere, something in the way of footings through the shitty concrete, and then do a pad in between them. We'll see. No guarantees. We want out of here as quickly as we can get, but it's not going to happen until we've got our shit sorted. So time to get rid of all the shit I don't need properly, and tidy up. I have moved shelves, and I just found a sump that must have been in the corner behind the shelves for 7 years. Yeah. Sometimes it's just nice to tidy up your surrounding so your life gets easier. So yeah, I thought I'd share a few little things just so when you see, I'll do some videos as I do it and after I'm done. And when you see what I've done, you'll go, oh, wow. Because that's how I've got to feel. If I don't feel, oh, wow, once I'm done, then, yeah, it won't be to the effect of what I need it to be. So, yeah, we're going to set this end here up. This is metal end. But the lathe's going to move and the mill is going to move. They're going to come up here. And there'll be lathe here, mill in the corner on an angle so as I can utilise it a little bit better. And there will be my welding blanket that I have here will actually be pinned up from the pole to the outside, and I'll hang the welding blanket properly, and I'll sort that out. The bike bench, I think the bike bench and the bikes are going to go. I don't know. I don't have time for bikes at this moment in time. You go through stages in your life where you've got all the time in the world for it, and then other times you don't. So for me, I love my bikes, but got a couple of cars to get done. I've got a life to finish. I've got a property to buy at some stage. So if they sell and someone's got the money, they sell, and you put it towards projects and life. And well, it's one little catch with this life. They say you can save and save and save and get somewhere. No, you can't. Saving small amounts of money helps you along the way. It doesn't get you rich. It doesn't buy you property. It doesn't do shit. You need big windfalls to buy property. You need big windfalls for things to happen. So you put all your little dollars into big deals. Sometimes they don't go well, which is what a lot of people will see when you watch the video on the 745i, the M745, the South African car. That's what that was supposed to be. That was supposed to be a property deposit, and we couldn't sell the car. It was that rare, no one wanted to part over 50k. We got offered 38. Instead, we sold everything else, kept the engine and gearbox, parted out, move on. Next step, next step, next step. This is how life should go. All right, so just always remember, tidy life, tidy mind. Soggy life, soggy mind, soggy body. So at the moment, soggy body, bit of a fatty. So time to get in shape, time to get the workshop clean, tidy, make shit happen. That's how it is. So I suppose I'll be putting some shit up for sale. Exciting. I've made a decision. This shit's happening. I'll do some vids on the way.